Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you what makeup I'm taking along for our interrailing trip. The bag is this great little flat purple bag, and it's perfect for travel because even if you don't have it filled, which I do not, you can kind of squish things around to make it nice and flat to fit it into small spaces. So this is what the inside looks like. There's not a lot as far as I'm concerned. Maybe you'll think it's a lot, I don't know. But the first thing I have is my BB cream into a smaller bottle. That is some Rimmel 9-in-1. I have some number 7 concealer. This is their Hydro Luminous Dark Circle Concealer in the color 2.5. I'm also taking along this 2-in-1 Anti-Spot Concealer. For blush, I'm just taking 2 options because, as I say, I'm not really interested in a whole lot. So I have the Dandelion in this little purse-sized sample from Benefit. I also have this Gold Rush. The Gold Rush, it has a bit of a shimmer in it, so it also acts as a bit of highlighting. And these two came in Birchboxes. For eyes, I have this. This is from Manicatter, and it is actually their bronze and highlighter. Eyeshadow, though, is this amazing one from Floss. It is in the color Maui, and of course I need a brush to apply that with, so I have a dual-ended Studio London, just simple eyeshadow brush with travel brushes from Real Techniques. One is angled, one is round. A highlighter, I have this Model Co. sample that came in a Birchbox in the color Froze. For my lashes, I've got 2 different mascaras on me. This one is some Nourishing Mascara, which came in my Birchbox. Cover it. On top, I've got some 100% waterproof, just generic mascara from Rimmel. And for my lips, I've got 2 choices here. I have either from Rimmel, the Stay Satin in It Girl, and then I also have this Laritzi, which came in a Birchbox. And then to finish it all off, I have some Essence You Better Work Gym-Proof and Waterproof Fixing Powder. And the last items in my makeup bag are a mirror and then some lip repair. I don't know if I'll actually wear makeup every day or not, but I've got options if I do decide to. So, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.